Hi everybody and welcome. Today we're at 326 Sherwood Court, a nice central location in Modesto in this beautiful mid-century single level. Can't wait to show it to you. Come on in. So let's start here in this beautifully renovated kitchen. Modern conveniences, open floor plan. This house has it all, including 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, beautiful large living room, hardwood floors throughout. I could just go on and on. And look at this, 10,000 square feet of beautifully landscaped back. RV parking, extra storage, perfect for summer entertaining. So come on and get a look at it this weekend. We'll be open Saturday and Sunday from noon to 2. I can't wait to see you here.